How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And guys, got a fantastic video here today. Just want to sit down and talk, chat, a little update sort of thing, a little update of quarantine, and go over some of the podcast stuff, and also the big news. Well, not sort of big news, but guys, we're getting close. If you remember, I put out a video not too long ago saying if this video gets 100 likes, then I'll buy a Series X, which I will still stick by or stand by. And if I can just go to that right here, let me just share my screen with you guys. Let's go to screen record and go here. So as you can see, 24.6 thousand subs on Life Made Easy. Thank you so much, guys. Also, guys, make sure to hit that bell. Also, there's this join button if you want to help support the channel. Make sure to hit the bell next to the subscribe button. I know it's not popping up for me because I'm logged in. But make sure you hit that bell, guys, so you get exactly or notified exactly when I upload, so you guys can see all my recent videos. So where is it? Right here. If you like this video, so let me just click on this real quick. Of course, I'm getting a honey ad. Guys, we're currently up to 60. I don't know who disliked this, but that's kind of hilarious, to be honest. 62 likes on that. Let me just come back here. Guys, so 62 likes right now, so we're getting close. So guys, if you haven't already, make sure to go over that video and like it. And then another quick thing, if I just go back here into screen record, and guys, new podcast episode just went up on Clone Wars. I'm gonna be uploading another one shortly on the new iPhone that just got released yesterday. Well, not released, announced, available for pre-order. Guys, we're currently up to 22 subscribers. Every single subscriber, every person that comes over here and subscribes will receive exclusive shoutouts on the channel. So guys, go check out these podcasts. I now have, was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, currently 6 podcast episodes now on here. If you guys like listening to podcasts, me and my buddy Tim, and we also do a couple interviews here. Guys, go check it out. Highly recommend it. Okay, let me just come back here and I can actually chat with you guys. So guys, podcast has been going great. Been putting a lot of work for that. Just recorded another episode today, and I'm going to be doing another episode on the new Clone Wars episode that's coming out tomorrow, which is Friday, which is dope. So guys, everything with the podcast is amazing. Go check that out if you haven't already, and make sure to go check out that video and give it a like so I can buy a Series X. I promise I will. So guys, a little life in quarantine update. It's extremely boring at this point. I have to do school online, which kind of sucks. Much rather be at school at this point, but you can't really do much about it, so having to deal with it. Guys, I'm going to be trying to do a live Q&A when I find the time to do it. Been interested in that, and try to make it happen because a lot of you guys wanted to actually see it happen. So I can do that. Just kind of like sit here, live chat, and you guys ask me questions that I can answer live, which is cool because I got a pretty decent setup right now. I got the webcam, got the microphone, pretty solid setup. Everything looks pretty clean. So yeah, been pretty boring around here. If you guys could also leave a like on this video, it'd help out immensely. And if you guys can comment questions down in the comment section down below, I'll answer some of them. If you guys have any drastic questions for me that you want to know about, I'll be sure to answer all those questions in the comment section down below. So guys, let me know how you're doing as well with the life in quarantine. It's kind of interesting times. On my most recent podcast, me and Tim discussed the current like economic situation of it all, since we're both econ majors. But yeah, very troubling times, especially if you're in the United States. Unemployment's rising so much. I think we have like we're getting up to like 20 million people who filed for unemployment insurance. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically the government will pay you while you're looking for a job when you're considered unemployed, where you're looking for a job in the past 4 weeks. So they'll pay you, I think it's like $600 roughly a week, I think. Maybe it's a month. I'm not too sure. I forget the specifics of it. But yeah, GDP's falling. Everyone's losing their jobs. Luckily, inflation's not going to drop that much, but we will see a drop in prices eventually. And then number of cases sort of flatlining, I guess. But a lot of deaths definitely in the US, which is sad. So I hope all of you guys are staying safe. Make sure to social distance yourself from people. You can use Zoom, you can use Skype, FaceTime, Google Duo, any of those sort of things if you want to communicate with people. Even call someone, text someone. The internet makes it really easy with you guys. I'm sorry, not with you guys. Just with your friends and family. And this is nice just because obviously I can do YouTube from home. I can communicate with all you guys, which makes it really awesome because YouTube is a stay-at-home job for me at least. So guys, leave comments down below. I'd love to hear how you're doing in quarantine. If you have any questions for me, I'd be happy to answer them. Without further ado, see you guys in the next upcoming either live stream or video. I'll just see what I have, what I'll post, and we'll go forward from there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.